Marhaban to my future employer. It's a pleasure to introduce myself. My name is Emmy Biavas, at 33 years old, a single mother of 4 from Davao City, Philippines. I hold a 2-year vocational hotel restaurant management diploma. From 2019 to 2021, I worked as a nanny in Saudi Arabia for 9 members of the family, 2 adults, a newborn, 4 children ages 7, 9, 12 years old twins, 2 teenagers, 16 and 18 years old. My responsibilities included childcare, preparing healthy meals and milk, changing diaper, bathing, dressing children, playing with them, assisting with homework, especially English and math, and teaching basic skills, shapes, alphabet, color, counting to the toddler. I monitor their health, checking temperatures, and administering prescribed medication. I ensure their safety during all activities. Household management, maintaining cleanliness throughout the home, including vacuuming, mopping, dusting, laundry, ironing, organizing closets, cooking, washing dishes, and managing groceries. I am responsible, trustworthy, hardworking, dedicated individual with strong multitasking and flexibility skills. I am kind, honest, and passionate about caring children. I would be honored to discuss my experience further in interview if selected. I will provide loving and a tender care for your children. Ma'am and sir, thank you for considering my application, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a blessed day. Goodbye, ma'am. Thank you.